Going in circles, a better way of thinking outside the box. How integrating solutions could return benefits to your communities. Maslow, a social scientist, formed a social theory, the hierarchy of needs, which places the fundamental needs that a person has, such as food and shelter, as the first and most vital. After these needs are met, the next to aim for is safety, followed by companionship, self-esteem, and ultimately self-actualization. At CPI, we've tried to apply this theory to a collective community of people, and we can view their basic needs as the first goal, followed by jobs, residential and financial security, community sustainability, and finally, a stable community as the ultimate societal goal. To help a community achieve this goal, creating value from its waste is an important step towards a circular economy. A circular economy replaces the linear economy, which is take, make and dispose, with one in which resources circulate at high value, avoiding or reducing the need for virgin resources. Now, island communities have particular problems, such as distance from substations, waste management issues and therefore the wasting of valuable resources, and sometimes a lack of industry. What CPI propose is a method of harnessing some of these resources to power homes and businesses, create a valuable industry and recycle waste products, allowing the progression of not only a sustainable community, but an independent and stable one. The integrated process. The idea is to create a virtuous circle between waste, energy and wastewater treatment. Where is the start of this circle? There are potentially 5 strands of work: data collection on waste, feasibility with techno-economic assessment, the AD work, the wastewater treatment work, and some work on the saccharina farming. We already know that ensiled saccharina works very well as an AD feedstock through our sea gas project. We know that the seaweed works when co-digested with food waste, but would it work as well with agricultural and septic wastes? And what about the wastewater treatment element? We are interested in exploring solutions which require low levels of investment, low energy demand, low chemical input, and which would be fairly easy for community to maintain. Here, Mother Nature gives us a helping hand. Passive or semi-passive water treatment systems rely on natural processes to clean up wastewaters. Our job is to try and mimic what happens in the natural world and make it work to our benefit. So, our virtuous circle may look something like this. Septage undergoes anaerobic digestion and living system treatment. Waste food, farmed seaweed and agricultural waste is fed into the AD plant. Cleaned wastewater fertilises the saccharina farm. Energy created in the AD plant powers some of the community, the living system process and the AD plant itself, and the digestate created is fed back to land to replace chemical fertilisers. Local food is then grown and consumed by the community, and food waste feeds the AD plant, and so on, and so the cycle continues. A resource-efficient, energy-efficient, community-based circular economy. Jobs, business, education and community empowerment. Interested?